Slightly Unblended. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're going to play around with the In A Trance palette from Colourpop Cosmetics, and let me tell you, she is so cute. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey, I got some new Colourpop stuff finally. It seems like I haven't ordered anything from them in forever, so I got the In A Trance and Aura and Out palettes. For this look right now, I'm just going to use the In A Trance palette, and I have something fun for the next one. As soon as I'm done here, I'm wiping this off, and I'm going to use the next one, and it's going to be something. So let's just jump into it. So I almost forgot that I had makeup on. Alright, I'm just going to take this Luxie 237 brush and make sure I have it cleaned off, because I'm bad about doing that. I'm just going to go into the shade Own Your Power. Ooh. And I'm going to just dip into it, and I'm going to start on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just going to kind of pat it down and blend. Kind of like in the shape of a C is how I'm doing this right now. I'm going to bring it up towards the brow bone as well. But I'm not going to go all the way up. That's just going to be my blending point. I'm going to take it onto my inner corner of my eye, into the crease, and I'm going to blend it upwards, just like when you get towards the center, stop, because we want that to be empty. We want a blank canvas to work with there. This is a little bit different from things that I usually do, and I like it so much so far. I have been wanting a pastel palette for a while. I mean, I have the Jawbreaker palette, but like, I don't know. I don't know. I prefer Colourpop. So now I'm going to take the Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Up Level. And it's so cute. I'm just going to add a little bit of, like, it's a little bit darker, so I'm just going to kind of, like, add depth, kind of, as much as you can with pastels. I'm just going to blend it in with that Own Your Power shade. More on the inner corner of the eye area, and bring it more in towards the middle as well. Alright, I'm just going to take a little bit more of that Own Your Power shade and blend it on this inner corner area just a little bit more. So, next up, I'm just going to take the Luxie Small Shader Brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Mind's Eye. And I really thought at first, I was like, oh, I'm going to mess it up. It's going to be too dark. No, wait for it. So, it's this shade right here, top middle. It's gorgeous AF. Oh my gosh, I just love Colourpop. Like, maybe one day I'll make their PR list. That'd be cool. I mean, I'd still buy their stuff and all that good stuff, but like, I just love them. If they'd noticed me ever, I think I would fall out. Though they did last year, like one of my pictures on Instagram, and I could have cried. I was like, I was so excited. So I'm just patting that down. I'm going to take it up a little bit just to kind of connect the Own Your Power shade. So this is more like a halo eye. But you see what I mean? Like, you look at it and you're like, oh no, it's going to be entirely too dark. But then it's like this. And I don't even know what to explain what this is, but it's adorable. So I'm going to take the Morphe pencil brush. And I almost used my other palette that I'm using as a mirror. I'm going to take it, and I'm going to get a little bit more of Level Up. And I'm going to just kind of pat the sides of that shimmer shade with it. Just kind of blend it a little bit. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get the Sigma E25 brush and a little bit more of that On Your Power shade and just really get it nice and blended. Ooh, she's kind of cute. Alright. I need to stop being weird. I forgot what I was doing next. But did I? Did I really? I'm going to take some of this NYX glitter primer and then I'm going to use the shade All Aura again. It's the glitter. Oh, it's gorgeous. Just applying this with a paintbrush. Just wing it. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to, well, I'll do the inner corner right now. Alright, next up, I'm just going to take the shade Clarity, which is the stunning shade right here. And I'm going to pop that onto the inner corner area for a nice highlight. Isn't she pretty? Okay, so now I'm just going to add some gems, and I'll be right back because that will be like super annoying and long to edit. But I'm using the gems that I always use, these little crystal flat back ones that you can find on Amazon, and yeah, so I'll be right back. 10 years later and I'm back. So I feel like this one's not as even as this one, but I feel like they work. So now when I applied the Colourpop falsies in Chica to my lashes, I just totally, the train of thought derailed and my phone just decided to buzz. So for the lower lash line, I will be doing a cream gel liner from Colourpop, imagine that, and it is in the shade Exit. I'm going to apply it and then I'm just going to have a little fun with this lower lash line. I am going to take the Colourpop E10 brush and the shade Up Level and just continue to try to do this little halo eye. I don't know, I'm not making any sense, but I'm just going to start right here and blend that into the lower lash line. And I'm going to leave the center of my lower lash line empty, because I'm going to add some glitter. So now I'm going to take Own Your Power on the same brush. I cleaned it off and I'm just going to blend that out. And now I'm just going to apply a little tiny bit. Oh, I don't need my glue anymore. Well, I'm going to add a little tiny bit of that NYX glitter primer onto my little paintbrush and add the glitter. Oh gosh, guys, RSVP by Knuckle Puck is stuck in my head. I've been listening to that and Tune You Out and Breathe like non-stop lately. I can't wait for their new album to come out. Oh. Alright, now I just gotta pop on a little bit of mascara and I will be finished. So I got this sample of the Urban Decay Perversion mascara and I absolutely love it. So I used that L'Oreal one until it was like dried out, and then I got to where I was like, I prefer the travel sizes. So this is the finished look. I am obsessed with this palette. That's like so, I only use like 5 shades in total. I still left me with 2 of them that I haven't used yet, and I just like, I could probably do another video. I don't know if you're interested in swatches. I'll just go ahead and rub them onto my arm real quick. Sorry if they're terrible. These are without any without any primer or concealer or anything. Keep that in mind. I'm just going from left to right, from Clarity to Daydream Baby, and I'm going to just work my way over. Get this glitter off my finger though. Alright. Ooh, she's very soft. Damn. I just destroyed my palette, so hopefully I wasn't planning on taking any pictures of it. Transcendence is so cute. Now these are my terrible swatches. We have, oh gosh. My very, very poor swatches. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This is shameful. Yeah, that, the next video that I do with this palette, I'll enlist my husband's arm because that is very bad. This very much so reminds me of cotton candy. You can definitely live your cotton candy fantasies with these light pastel shades. Like, if you don't want heavy dramatic, you can probably get dramatic, but like subtle dramatic with this palette. But oh my gosh, look how cute. I love it. So, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, then I think that it'd be cool if you wanted to. Like, I'd love to have you. Let me know what you'd like to see down below next. And I will have my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok listed down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!